If you're having trouble with voice chat in GTA 5, this guide will help you troubleshoot and unlock the feature. Follow these steps to resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your settings. Go to the Game Settings menu and navigate to the Audio settings. Ensure that voice chat is enabled and that your microphone is set as the default input device. Step 2. Verify your microphone. Make sure your microphone is properly connected to your computer or console. Test it in another application to confirm that it is working correctly. Step 3. Adjust privacy settings. If you're playing on a console, check the privacy settings to ensure that voice chat is allowed. You may need to adjust your account settings to enable communication. Step 4. Restart the game. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary glitches. Exit GTA 5 completely and then relaunch it to see if the voice chat starts working. Step 5. Update your game. Ensure that your game is up to date with the latest patches and updates. Check for any available updates and install them, as they may fix voice chat issues. By following these steps, you should be able to unlock and enjoy voice chat in GTA 5. If problems persist, consider reaching out to support for further assistance.